two products to show you. One is the Sew Line blue marker, because we all use a blue marker at one time or another. And that is a water erasable pen for your fabric. And what I like about the Sew Line water erasable pen is that it has a ceramic ball at the end of it. Let's see if I can. Has a little ceramic ball at the end rather than a felt tip. So it marks very cleanly and it doesn't dry out as fast. So you can see it's just very easy to draw on. Now, the problem with a blue pen is getting the blue line off of the fabric without using water. Because water, you know, if you just dab a blue line like this with water, it does this. Can you see how it just comes back? I wrote my name across here and I used water on it, and it doesn't really go away. It just kind of spreads out into the fibers. You'd actually have to wash the garment to get the blue line out. I mean, it'll come out, but you just have to wash it. But now we have this wonderful miracle product. To me, it's called Blue Line Eraser. And it comes in a spray bottle. It also comes with a little pen that you can fill with out of the big bottle. And it has a felt tip on it also. And it comes with the cutest, tiniest little funnel I've ever seen. I think I'd buy this just for this little tiny funnel. It's so cute. And so you just take the lid off of this and put the funnel in there, and you can fill this pen up very easily. So what I'm going to show you is you can either spray your line like so. Can you see how it's just going away? Or you can take your pen, if you don't want to put it too far over there, you just take your pen and go along your line that you just drew with the blue marker, and it disappears and it stays away. Because I had drawn all over this before and used the spray and it was gone. So, because I had used water on this side and the blue line eraser on the other side. It's like a little miracle. So I suggest that everybody would want to get this product, because at some point you're going to need to get a blue line out. And so this is the ticket. You're going to love it.